Hello, I wanted to share with you really quick how to submit assignments for Nirvick because he was, it's, so this is what I see. What you submitted for Tuesday's homework is just a number 1530. Um, and this is what it should look like. It should be the paper like this as a picture. So I just haven't seen that at all. Um, it's just weird. It's a number. It's not even like a picture or anything. So I want to show you how you submit it correctly. So you go over here and then to full day kindergarten. I'm gonna put on student view so you can see. And then you click on Tuesday because it's Tuesday's homework. All the way to the bottom, click submit here. As you can see, it'll show you exactly what paper to look for in the packet. Okay. Um, this is the paper with the lesson right on top. And then you can hit submit. You are going to go to the search bar and type in camera. Okay, you're going to take a picture of his work. And then you're going to choose file. And then you're going to go to pictures and find the picture that you just took on the camera roll. Open. And then submit, and that's it, and I will have his work. It is going to say resubmit on it, not submit, just so you know, because you already submitted it, but you need to do it again because it wasn't the right thing. So I just wanted to let you know if you could do that so I can grade him for his work. All right, perfect. Thank you.